Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4 Minute Friday Fun. What did we learn about this week?
Digital citizenship.
Excellent. So if we're talking about the UDL framework, under engagement, it's self-regulation, under action and expression, it's really those executive functions. So it's all about really tied into PBIS and how we act and behave online.
Yeah.
So our district adopted resource is Common Sense Media, and there's lots of great reviews for movies, books, TVs, games for parents, but also for educators. They have a whole digital citizenship platform. So there's a scope and sequence that focus on K through 2, 3 through 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, with videos, lesson plans, and you can really sort through here by topic to see if you have one of these that keeps popping up in your class, and you could just focus on that per grade level. But you can just click on those, go through them. They're very nice, compact resources, and they're also in It's Learning.
Yes. Yep. Another digital citizenship tool that you can use is BrainPop. Just launched their digital citizenship videos. It's not on BrainPop Junior. There is one technology safety video for BrainPop Junior, but this is on regular BrainPop. And if you scroll down, it says digital citizenship right here. Your kids don't have to log in because BrainPop made these free. And then there are all of these different videos that you can watch for free with videos and quizzes and all kinds of things that your kids can use. And then because of their partnership with News ELA, you also have an article that the kids can read that tie to that video.
That's very neat. And if very similar to Common Sense in terms of some of their pathways and topics. So it does talk about how kids should interact online, what they should be careful for, and goes along with even passwords, things like that. So it's good.
Yep.
All right. Another one is developed by the University of Kentucky, and it's open to everyone. We have a district account. We're both Hoosiers. So this is the Internet DDL, and you can search for that. I've signed in with my Google account here, and I'm going to go in.
It took you a little while for them to set you up, right?
Yeah, it did. But we have a district account now, so it should be good. But they have a whole series for 8 through 12 and 3 through 8. So it doesn't have primary, but there are lessons within here that, and again, you can see some of their partnerships down there. But they have videos and lessons that kids can go through, teachers can go through with their students if you want. And again, it kind of follows that same framework as BrainPop and Common Sense. The topics are pretty much the same, but it is a nice way to go through there. And then there's also some questions to help students learn, and you guys learn as well.
Okay, this last one we're going to show you is Google created a digital citizenship platform, and it is called Be Internet Awesome. And this is the homepage. If you just search Google Digital Citizenship or Be Internet Awesome, it'll come up. It's all about sharing with care, don't fall for fake. These are their kind of chunked things. That's a game I'm going to show you here in a second that your kids can go through. And this is the Be Internet Awesome curriculum. You can download it. There's a pledge. There's all kinds of stuff that you can do with your kids, but it kind of walks you through. But this is the game, and it's called Interland. And if you just click Let's Do This, it doesn't log you in, so it doesn't save anything. So if you want your kids to go through one chunk, they can just go through that one chunk, or you can have them go through all of it, and then at the end it gives them a certificate. So it's just playing 4 different games, and then like I said, at the end it gives you a certificate that you have completed Interland.
All right, so we know kids are on their devices all the time, and I don't think that's going to get any better. Common Sense has some reports out about the hours and hours and hours that kids spend online. So teaching them how to behave online is good as a teacher, as a parent, just as a responsible adult. So thank you for listening.
Have a happy Friday.